So, yesterday was pretty wild.
Oh my God! I'm so glad you brought it up. I'm sitting here thinking, are we gonna go through this whole meal and not breaking up the fact that we were in a freaking riot yesterday?
I mean, the looting? I mean, guys, keep it under wraps. But I have a brand new TV that I got from looting.
Phew! I thought I was only looting anything. I took 13 PlayStation 4s home yesterday. Hey, Marianne, how about you? What'd you loot?
His name is Babe Ruth.
Marianne, did you,
Yeah, I looted a turtle.
Why?
I don't know, okay? I guess I ended up in the pet store next to the Best Buy and, you know, adrenaline's pumping and I got a turtle.
don't they live like 80 years?
I don't want to talk about turtles anymore.
Okay. Guys, that riot though, huh?
Oh my God.
I threw a brick through a store window.
I flipped over a freaking car!
No.
It was insane!
I mean, I know, tell me about it all, the noise, the sounds, it really riled up BR. You know, Babe Ruth, the turtle that I looted, he got all anxious and started like biting at me, actually broke the skin. It hurt pretty bad.
Yeah, Marianne, that's not really a looting thing. That's just like you got bit by a turtle that you stole.
Okay, stop judging me. You guys stole stuff too.
Well, we're not judging you for looting, Marianne. We're judging you because you looted a fucking turtle. Like, why?
Why did you loot 13 PlayStations? I mean, what are you gonna do with 13 PlayStations?
I'm gonna sell them, Marianne.
I could sell my turtle.
Who wants a used turtle?
If anything, just release them into the wild or something.
Yeah, release it into the wild, as if red-eared slider turtles aren't already one of the 100 most invasive species on the planet for that exact reason.
I mean, I'll take your word for it.
Here is your check. Whoa, has that been there the whole time?
It's in my pocket.
Cool.
Hey, does one of you mind actually covering me for this? I'm actually kind of in the red with the whole turtle thing.
What?
Well, it turns out turtles need like a lot of stuff. Okay, so you gotta have about 10 gallons of tank for every inch of shell, and then you gotta have UVA light, you gotta have UVB light, you gotta have a basking rod for them to bask on, you gotta have turtle food, and then turns out you need to have live food too, so I ended up getting this box of live crickets.
You bought a box of live crickets into a restaurant, Marianne? What's wrong with you?
Oh, I'm sorry, I get it. Only we get to eat.
How much have you spent on this goddamn turtle?
I don't know, I'm not a mathematician. Somewhere around $800.
Jesus Christ!
Why didn't you just loot all the shit you needed for the turtle, Marianne?
Because I didn't know what I needed! I tried to look it up, but I was out of mobile data, and then I went home to look it up on my laptop, but it was stolen in the riot! And then I don't know, I made a snap decision, and I don't know how to fix it. I don't know how to fix it, I have this turtle, and I don't know what to do.
It's okay. Hey, buddy. We know what to do.
What?
We'll start another riot. You can de-loot the turtle in the riot. You can go break back into the pet store, put him back in this case, and the problem's solved.
You guys would do that for me?
Starting violent riots to fix small mistakes is what friends do, Marianne.
Marianne! Did you loot a